Preparing your HE condenser for installation. Needed items for installation: 18x5 solid core copper thermostat wire, power cable, Phillips head screwdriver or drill, spanner wrench, and torque wrench. Start by removing the side cover to access the terminal. We will be using the terminal leads on the left labeled contactor 24 volt. Begin unscrewing the left two terminal leads so that the thermostat wire can be connected. We recommend using an 18x5 solid core copper thermostat wire. Using the recommended blue and yellow wires, connect both to 24 volt terminal leads. Now we will use the next three terminal leads for the power cable. Make sure your power cable is not plugged in before beginning the wiring process. Begin unscrewing the right three terminal leads. Run your ground wire from the power cable to the far right lead. L1 and L2 will be the two remaining middle leads. Make sure to wire appropriately for your specific power cable type. Your system should look similar to this. Next, we will use the cable clamp to secure all the cables. Now we can reinstall the cover. Now we can begin unscrewing the flared fitting with a wrench. Connect your line set to the valve. Refer to owner's manual for torque specifications.